Ever notice how some outdoor gear instantly makes beginners feel like total experts? The truth is, looking skilled and being skilled are not the same thing. Today, we're counting down 5 outdoor gear items that create confidence fast but don't actually teach real outdoor ability. These tools are popular, impressive, and easy to rely on, which is exactly why beginners love them. If you're new to the outdoors, this list might surprise you and help you grow smarter instead of just looking prepared. Number 5. Jetboil Camping Stove System. Jetboil systems are known for fast boiling and simple operation. They make cooking feel effortless, even for first-time campers. Push a button, wait a moment, and hot water is ready. This creates instant confidence in outdoor cooking situations. Beginners often feel like skilled campers right away. However, real outdoor cooking is about more than boiling water. Fuel planning, heat control, and meal timing still matter. Jetboil removes many learning moments from the process. It works extremely well, but teaches very little technique. Many users never learn fire management or backup methods. If the system fails, beginners may feel lost. It's impressive, compact, and very dependable, but it can create overconfidence too early. You look prepared without understanding the basics. Great tool, limited teacher. Pros: very fast and reliable boiling. Simple to use for beginners. Compact and clean design. Cons: reduces learning of cooking skills. Limited flexibility for meals. Can create false confidence. Number 4. High-end hiking boots, Salomon or Hoka. High-end hiking boots offer comfort and support immediately. They feel strong, stable, and protective on the trail. Beginners often believe boots equal experience. Good boots can hide poor walking technique. They reduce foot fatigue even with bad habits. This makes new hikers feel more capable than they are. Balance, pacing, and terrain reading still matter. Boots don't teach those skills. Heavy support can delay natural strength development. Some beginners rely too much on footwear. When terrain changes, problems appear. The boots look serious and professional. Confidence increases quickly. Skill growth may slow down. Comfort replaces awareness. Pros: strong support and comfort. Reduces early foot strain. Encourages longer walks. Cons: can hide poor technique. Heavy for beginners. Slows skill development. Number 3. Premium Hiking Backpack, Osprey, Gregory. Premium backpacks distribute weight very well. They feel balanced even when packed poorly. Beginners often think packing skills don't matter. Good suspension hides mistakes. Overpacking becomes common. Weight management skills are not learned early. Backpacks like these feel professional. They create a sense of readiness. But real skill is knowing what to carry and what to leave behind. New users skip planning steps. The bag does all the work. Comfort replaces discipline. The trail feels easier than it should. Learning comes later or not at all. Pros: excellent weight distribution. Comfortable for long walks. Durable construction. Cons: encourages overpacking. Hides planning mistakes. Reduces gear awareness. Number 2. Garmin inReach Satellite Communicator. Satellite communicators provide strong peace of mind. They allow messaging from remote places. Beginners feel instantly secure carrying one. Confidence rises fast, but navigation skills may decline. Users rely on technology over judgment. Map reading becomes less practiced. Decision-making weakens over time. The device feels like protection, but it cannot replace awareness. Signal use doesn't teach route planning. Emergencies still require smart choices. Some users take bigger risks because they feel backed up. False safety can form quickly. Pros: reliable communication support. Strong peace of mind. Useful in remote areas. Cons: reduces navigation practice. Encourages risk-taking. Over-reliance on tech. Number 1. Yeti Cooler, Tundra, Roadie series. A high-performance cooler feels very capable. Ice lasts longer than expected. Food stays fresh with little effort. Beginners feel fully prepared, but food management skills are skipped. Portion planning becomes lazy. Cooling replaces strategy. Weight awareness is ignored. Carrying efficiency is forgotten. The cooler does everything for you, but outdoor trips require balance. Heavy coolers reduce mobility. Skill is not about storage alone. It's about planning ahead. Confidence comes too easily. Pros: excellent insulation. Strong build quality. Reliable performance. Cons. Very heavy to move. Encourages poor planning. Limits mobility. Outdoor gear should support learning, not replace it. These items are excellent tools, but real outdoor confidence comes from experience, planning, and awareness. If you're just starting out, focus on skills first and gear second. Looking like an expert is easy. Becoming one takes time.